Imagine this. You're sitting casually, scrolling Instagram reels. One more video, just one more. Suddenly, 3 hours vanish. You didn't invent time travel. You just fell into a dopamine black hole. Now here's the shocking part. What if I told you that your brain right now is almost identical to a rat in a lab experiment, pressing a button over and over just for a tiny hit of pleasure? Creepy, right? But here's the twist. There's a way to reset your brain. It's called a dopamine detox. Sounds fancy? Don't worry. It's not about living in a cave, eating gross, and meditating for 48 hours straight. Let's break it down. First things first, dopamine. Dopamine is not the happiness chemical, like people love to say. No, it's more like your motivation currency. It's the thing that makes you chase goals, crave rewards, and yes, binge watch Netflix at 3 a.m. Think of dopamine as the notification sound in your brain. Every ping, every like, every scroll. It's your brain going, ooh, a message. Let's check it out. Now here's the problem. In today's world, we're drowning in dopamine triggers. Social media, video games, junk food, all engineered to hijack your brain and keep you hooked. So why detox? Because your brain is basically on fast food mode. Imagine eating pizza for breakfast, burgers for lunch, and ice cream for dinner. Delicious? Yes. Sustainable? No. Eventually, your taste buds get numb, and a simple apple feels like cardboard. The same thing happens with dopamine. When you overload it with TikToks, memes, and energy drinks, normal life feels boring. Reading a book? Nope. Studying? Snooze. Talking to actual humans? Painful. You're not lazy. You're just dopamine saturated. Here comes the magic. A dopamine detox isn't about removing dopamine. You'd literally die without it. It's about resetting your brain's reward system. The idea is simple. For a set time, you avoid instant gratification activities. No phone scrolling, no junk food, no Netflix, no gaming. Instead, you allow yourself low dopamine activities. Journaling, reading, studying, walking. Just only being bored. Now think about this. 2 hours scrolling social media plus games every day is equal to 730 hours of waste every year. But half an hour reading a book, plus half an hour exercising, plus 1 hour working on a skill is equal to 730 hours a year being a better person. Choice is yours. Sounds painful? Yeah, but that's the point. When you starve your brain of cheap thrills, suddenly simple things feel rewarding again. That apple doesn't taste like cardboard anymore. It tastes like heaven. And trust me, after a day without Instagram, even watching ants fight on the sidewalk feels like a blockbuster movie. Let's get a bit nerdy. Your brain has a reward pathway called the mesolimbic system. When it gets too much dopamine, it adapts. This is called downregulation. Your brain basically says, okay, too much studying. Let's watch some reels. That's why things that used to excite you now feel boring. A dopamine detox helps your brain resensitize and makes watching reels feel boring. It's like cleaning your room after months of chaos. You suddenly realize how much space you actually have. So how do you start? Don't overcomplicate it. Pick a day or even half a day and cut out the cheap dopamine. Put your phone on airplane mode. No YouTube unless it's this video. No junk snacks or sugar rushes. Instead, do something uncomfortable but meaningful. Study that chapter you've been ignoring. Write down your thoughts. Do something you have been avoiding. At first, you'll feel boring. Your brain will scream, check your phone. Just one reel, come on. But if you push through, you'll experience something rare in our generation. Focus, clarity, and peace. Here's the truth. Dopamine detox isn't about giving up fun. It's about taking back control. Instead of being a rat pressing buttons, you become the scientist designing the experiment. So here's my question for you. If tomorrow you woke up and the internet stopped working for 24 hours, would you panic or would you finally discover who you are without distractions? Think about that. If you love this video, then try these videos too. You will love it. See you there. Thanks for watching this video, and if you love learning something new every weekend, subscribe to the Explorination.